Peter Schiff, co-founder of Echelon Wealth Partners in Canada, has often been bullish about buying gold. And now he's recommending keeping 10 to 15% of your savings portfolio in gold and silver. Gold prices have been soaring higher than a rocket. Schiff believes gold has no ceiling because, well, the dollar's value is kind of playing limbo. How low can it go, right? With inflation turning our dollars into less dollary, gold's looking pretty shiny as a safe haven. This is evident with the U.S. Consumer Price Index, which saw an annual increase of 3.1% in November 2023. Down from its peak 9.1% increase in June 2022. Also, according to Yahoo Finance, the latest CPI report showed that, over the last year, the food index increased 2.9%, and the shelter index rose 6.5%. Inflation has often been an issue due to the central bank's ability to print more money as they like, but gold's different. You can't make it out of nowhere, and that scarcity really helps it protect against inflation. But hey, let's not forget stocks, which are regarded as a viable option for combating inflation. They're cool too, but Schiff thinks they're a bit overpriced right now.
Well, first of all, I also called all the inflation that we're experiencing, and it actually has its origins.
He reminds us of the 1970s, when gold outshone stocks during inflation times. So, is gold the new black? Schiff's betting on it, with major investments in gold mining companies. Is it the right moment to join the gold rush? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.